Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing and testing this Everbrite COB rechargeable folding work light. You have 7 light modes, up to 1200 lumens, 180-degree adjustable stand, and hanging hook. You have a magnetic base for car repairs, camping, emergency, or job sites. So let's see what comes in the box and do some tests. All right, here we go. It's got a great compact design. All right. Actually, very, very nice. Kind of looks like a little suitcase. Really cute. Measures about 4.5 inches by 2 inches by about 1.75 inches. Okay. So you have your on and off here. You got some screws. You have your USB-C connector, okay, and your USB. Great thing about this one, you could use the internal battery to charge your phone if you're out camping or anything of that sort. You also have another light right here. You got your stand. You have a hook. Okay, very nice. You have your magnets, and you have your option to put it, a little screw there for putting it on a tripod. Okay. You got different steps. Okay, beautiful. Get your battery indicator. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and see what else it comes with. You have your USB charging cable. Does not have a power supply. You got your small manual. Okay. So 1200 lumens, about 2 hours, about 60 meters. Okay, 2000 milliamp battery. Okay. Thank you. And other options that they sell. You can always check out their website. Gives you pretty much all the tools. Pretty sweet. All right, so let's go ahead and power it up. You have different color temperatures. Okay, you got the red, flashing for emergencies. Pretty sweet. All right, you got the other one, flashing. You dim it. So if you want to use it inside a tent at nighttime, just to read. All right, so it pretty much tells you that it's at the top, on, off. I like that it has memory. But this one you have to cycle through all the... All right, so let's go ahead and put it to charge, see how the indicator works. All right, great. So flashing. So once it gets to the end, full green, then we should be good to go and fully charged. And like I mentioned, you could use the USB to charge other devices. You have a 2000 milliamp battery. Another great thing that it has, magnet. So if you want to put it, on a beam or anything like that, perfect. Okay, nice and strong. Like it. All right. Like I mentioned, you do have the option to install it into a tripod if you want to get a certain angle, small tripod or a large, and then you could pretty much do whatever you like, angle it exact location that you want to light up. And there you go. All right, so this is your first step. I'm assuming the 3K color. Let's dim it. It's all full blast there. That's the middle. probably like 6K or 6,500. Okay. Flashlight. It's got a nice beam to it. Got the red, flashing red. It's great for emergencies. Absolutely great flashlight to keep it in the vehicle. Let's say you want to go ahead and work in your vehicle. You could do different options. Let's see, what can we do here? All right. So you can see pretty much great. If you want to use a flashlight, let's say you want to work on your car or you get stranded out in the middle of the road. Like I mentioned, you do have the option of the magnet. This particular hood is fiberglass, so we're going to use the hook option. And then you could angle it if you want to. And pretty much you can see your engine bay, anything, change your battery, check your oil, things of that nature. And if you have a metal hood, you could definitely use your magnet and put it on anything metal. Oh, great option. Let's say outdoors, indoors, camping, work site. A great flashlight, 1200 lumens, 2000 milliamp. Many options. You have the emergency, charge your phone if you need to, flashlight, put it on a tripod. Just, you can't go wrong with this flashlight.